Mga calls, familiar ba kayo sa tinatawag nilang taxi cab theory? Basically, it's like a concept kung saan sinasabi nila na love is not just about commitment, but it's about timing. Napapansin nyo, karamihan ng mga taong galing sa isang long-term relationship, kapag nakahanap na sila ng bagong partner, yun yung pinapakasalan. It's very relevant nowadays. Naririnig natin itong concept ng taxi cab theory because kinasal na si Carlo Aquino and alam ng karamihan na meron siyang long-term partner tapos meron silang anak pero ngayon ay kinasal siya sa ibang babae. But even if hindi kinasal si Carlo Aquino, we all know this reality that it's actually happening. Sobrang dami tayong mga nasaksihan ng mga long-term relationships na hindi nag-work in the end. Tapos, yung iba galing sa 9 years relationship, 10 years relationship, even 15 years, 20 years. Pero, ang pinakasalan ay yung babae or yung partner na nahanap nila after exiting that long-term relationship.